Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore how poster border with double stroke. Open your finished poster file, duplicate your main background layer and apply a stroke for 5 px in white. Then add another stroke below in black and 15 px use outside for both strokes. You will get a dual border frame effect, reduce fill slightly for blending, and also add cinematic framing to the posters. Perfect for final presentation looks, and add a gradient map layer for color harmony. Now everything feels balanced and composed. Save as PNG or JPG for export. Simple borders make big differences.